In this video, we are towards the end of the personality module, and we are going to take a look at the character personality analysis. Please make sure prior to completing this assignment, you have worked through this entire module as well as reading the corresponding e-text pages. As you will notice, I'm on the social cognitive page, and I have my character personality analysis handout and also the assignment rubric. So make sure you look at both of those. For this assignment, we're going to analyze a famous movie character through the eyes of different personality theorists. Please download the instructions from the sidebar and submit when complete. Okay, so let's read this. You're going to take on the role of a psychologist and use multiple theories to explain the personality of a movie character. This assignment requires you to watch the movie in order to provide a specific instance of the theory in relation to the character's behavior. The movies of choice are Pirates of the Caribbean, the first one, Shrek, the first one, or Frozen. From these movies, you will need to discuss the main character. In Pirates and Frozen, there's more than one, so select only one. The method. You're going to be creating a PowerPoint presentation to illustrate your findings. You may work in a group of up to 3 students to complete the assignment. Each student should submit a copy of the PowerPoint for grading. Again, with group work, things to remember. It is not required. You do not have to work in a group. It is your choice, and you must choose someone from our class. The other thing to remember is that everyone is to submit their own submission to their own Canvas course. So make sure everybody submits their own work. Let's see. Down here are the psychologists that you'll be using. So I would make sure that once you've chosen the movie, and if you want to go outside one of these 3 movies, if you just send me either a Canvas inbox message or an email with the name of another movie that you would like to use, I will be glad to look at that and approve it for you. Okay, once you've picked out your character, you're going to analyze your character using the following theorists: Sigmund Freud, Alfred Adler, Karen Horney, Abraham Maslow, and Carl Rogers. For each theorist, you should include the following: an introduction slide. Well, this is the whole thing. An introduction slide that provides a storyline summary that highlights the role of your chosen character. So this would be the very beginning of your PowerPoint. Introduce the movie, introduce the character, and kind of what they went through. Then for each theorist, note each theorist. So you'll do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. You will provide an image of the theorist and a brief summary of their theory. Then for each theorist, you will select 4 concepts from the theory that explain the character and their personality. Clearly define the concept and thoroughly explain what is happening with the main character that demonstrates these ideas. So go to the theorist's theory, look through it, find 4 concepts, and use those 4 concepts to apply to your character. And then you will also select 4 pictures from the internet of your character that represent each example you choose. So if you're doing, for Sigmund Freud, if you're doing the Oedipus complex, and you provided the rationale of the concept and explained what happens, you're going to provide 4 images from the movie that illustrate that. And then, as always, you will have a works cited slide that follows APA format for the sources used. And remember, again, on PowerPoint, we're not bulleting APA ever. We're double spacing throughout, and we're using our hanging indentations.